So just download this dataset also. I will going to share the file with you. In this, you just have to click on this link. What you are going to do, you have to just upload it into the colab, and as you upload into the colab, you can click on this link and download it, and you can run it. This happiness report, as I said you, it will going to tell you country wise how they are prosperous economically and according to pace, democracy, what is the situation based on that certain data set you have, and based on that you have to do analysis. You have to similarly just run the code. Here you need to click on this run button. As you click, you will get the data set, and you will see how the data set will run. Now one more thing I wanted to add it here. If you run this line, this will give you an error. This line. Why it will give you an error? Because here I am giving the path like this. This this line normally we add in a Jupyter Anaconda. A Jupyter Anaconda application if you are using in your system, then you are going to pass the path like this. We usually pass the path like this. Okay, like this. You have to add the path like this. Inside this folder, you have this file you wanted to access. The only thing that if you in the cloud, if you pass like this, how the cloud will understand from the local you wanted to do. That's the reason what I did here. I have I have added this code from google.colab import file upload. This code will going to ask me to browse a file that I wanted to read. So I don't have to depend on the any part. So I'm going to do it for you now. This is a zip file, so I need to just extract it. Extracted, I will going to read that any file. Let me take 2019. So I'm taking 2019. Pass the same file, okay? 2019 CSV. So here, what file you are going to pass? Replace it with 2019 CSV. What is the name of file? 2019 CSV. See here, it is done completely, right? Now you just run this. pd.read CSV function will going to read a file. So now you see this. It runs successfully, right? pd.read CSV function, you have passed the name of file here that you have read about. Whatever file you are going to browse, you have to pass the name as it is. But now, one more thing here. If you use Jupyter Anaconda, then you have to give here the complete path. What complete path you need to give? This in this way you have to pass the path. Okay, like this. You have to copy this, and you have to write down here like this. When you're going to run on your Jupyter Anaconda application. In that case, we have to pass this. Why do we need to pass like this? Because Jupyter Anaconda is present on your local system, right? This is a cloud. Cloud will not able to find out this path. You tell me this username will be able to find it out? No, right? So how do you do that? So this is the step of this. You can upload the file and just pass the name of the file. That will make your task easier. And that's the reason I prefer to pass the file name like this. So I hope it is clear to you how to read a dataset. Once you read a dataset, you can perform this operation. This will going to give you the number of rows and columns. It will going to give you the number of rows and columns in the file. So how many rows you have? Let me run and see. So it is having 156 rows and 9 columns. Now let's see whether we are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 9 column we have, and why it is showing only 4? Because this add function by default it is going to show you only 5 data, 0 to 4. Starting from 0 index in array, index start from what value? 0, right? But if you want to see 10 data, just pass 10 here. then you're going to see 10 record 0 to 9, right? If you want to see 20, just past 20, it will going to show 0 to 19 because index start from 0 and you can see it is showing till 19. So like this you have to run. So I hope it is clear to you and you find this project very informative and clear. If you have any question then you can ask.